So for this one, you're going to need a band. And what we're going to do is we're going to do some spinal segmenting. So as you can see, I'm just trying to move my spine through here. Now, you're going to work in different areas. So especially find the areas where it doesn't work very well, and then keep hammering those areas until they move well, then move on to the next one. So most people will only move from through here, maybe a little bit in the lower back, and maybe into the neck. So find your areas where you suck, and then work in those areas, okay? So now a couple of different positions. So now when you're working sort of lower mid back to upper lower back, you're going to be in this position through here. So my hands are underneath my shoulders, knees underneath my hips. Then from there I'm going to extend, then I'm going to press it up, and I'm trying to just create extra tension on the band and then loosen the band. Extra tension, push the band away, and then loosen the band. My belly button goes towards the floor. Increase the tension, hold, squeeze as much as I can, then loosen the tension, push my belly button towards the floor. Okay? So now, if I'm going into my lower back, now this can be very difficult to do. So what you can do in this position is instead, I'm going to grab the band, like this. I'm going to go around my back. I'm going to loop it, and then place it underneath my knees, like this. Okay? So you can see, if I show you here, band is through here, it's looping around my knees. Okay, can you see through there? Band is on my knees, and the band is through here. This is for the lower back, so the lower part of the spine. So from this position, I'm going to come here, and now the band is directly pulling down. So same thing, I'm going to create more tension in the band, push as far away as I can, and then loosen the band. And now my belly button goes towards the floor, and also my tailbone sort of goes towards the ceiling like that. So remember, I'm also not trying to arch through here. I'm trying to keep everything else still. I'm trying to mainly move in my the lower part of my back where the band is. I don't want to move too much other stuff, because the idea is you want to create segmental range of motion. So I squeeze as much as I can, and then relax. If you're finding that you can't limit everything else, for the lower back, it helps to go into the elbows, because this will eliminate sort of the mid-thoracic area. So I'm going to press up, and then extend down, press up, tighten the band, extend down, press up, extend down. Okay, this will help a limit. If you're really, really tough and you really want to challenge yourself, put your hands behind your neck and then go and do it. That's quite hard. Okay, so that's for the lower spine. So when you're getting up to the mid-thoracic spine, what you want to do is place the band around through there, and actually you want to come into this position where your hands are quite close to your knees. Okay, so before we were here, and now we're here, because this will help eliminate some of the lower back. Now I could focus on tightening the band, and then sticking my chest forward, tightening the band, pushing as far away as I can, stick my chest forward. I'm trying not to move my lower back too much. Sitting in this position can help me eliminate that. Push the band away, extend, and obviously then as I go further up, then it becomes even better to eliminate the lower back. So now I'm only moving in my thoracic spine. And what you want to do is when you push, try and hold each repetition at the end range. Squeeze as much as you can. Again through there. Squeeze as much as you can. And then through there.